Leo, time to think big. Leo is animal doctor today.
Okay, writing that down. The puppy is sick too. Got it. Puppy, who's next? The kitten, rabbit, duck, and horse. All checked. Time to go. Hi there. Ready for our mission? You bet. Hop in, Leo. Okay, first stop, the animal shelter. Let's see who needs help today. Let's go help the animals. You got it. Wow, look at the park. Next stop, the farm. We're almost there. Park.
Round and round, the rescue van goes round and round, around the busy farm.
The sick cow is over there. Come on, cow. Get on Leo's bus. Yay, we did it. You're safe now.
The cow in the rescue van says moo, 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 moo.
Oh no, so much fever.
The cow in the rescue van says moo, 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 around the busy farm.
Oh no, a baby sheep. Hurry up, sheep. I'll take you to bus.
The sheep in the rescue van says ba, 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 ba. The sheep in the rescue van says ba, 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 around the country farm.
Oh, Mama Duck has fainted. Wait, I'll help.
The ducks in the rescue van say quack, 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 quack. The ducks in the rescue van say quack, 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 around the busy farm.
The bus has arrived, but the baby mouse is so small that nobody can find him.
The little mouse nearby says squeak, 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 squeak. The little mouse nearby says squeak,
Don't worry,
squeak,
doctor will
squeak,
bandage you up.
around the busy farm.
No, it's a fracture. Don't worry, doctor will bandage you up.
Goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The rescue van goes round and round through the happy town.
Aha! Leo takes everyone safely to the hospital. Great job, Leo. Every animal is safe now.